Okay, I'm hiding with Vinny right now because I'm vlogging and it's the first time I'm vlogging outside. I'm in London Zoo and I'm really fucking scared. Are we scared? We're scared, right? We're so scared. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Jordan's with me. Hi, Jordan.
4 times.
Jordan's in my video. Every single video I've done. I'm gonna vlog like this. Hello.
What? Oh, hi. Just nosing in other people's conversations. Oh, they got rid of the gorillas, didn't they?
No, they're over there. They're over there.
Oh, there is gorillas.
Yeah. Hello, they're porcelain. Whatever the fuck it is.
That's a really strong word for you.
Right? My vocabulary is...
I don't think the vocabulary extended out of like the word because. I think that's quite
Because... But shut up, I say more than that. I'm very articulate. Thank you very much. That's one thing everyone always says about me whenever I go to school meeting. Tyler is a very articulate young man, unless they've been lying.
Oh, where'd you get your hair done?
Like, actually looks like a full-on wig. Like, what the hell? If y'all are wondering where to get your weaves from, no, that's kind of like promoting animal cruelty, isn't it? No, can't do that. Hey, little vlogger. My vlogging has catched on, and now my cousin is opening a YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to his channel. Well, I don't know. Would it be uploaded? Would it? I guess it would be uploaded by then. We got ice cream.
Yeah. It don't mean we've all got the same ice cream though. Me and Tyler did. Like my dad and he's Miss. Miss.
Right, we're gonna make a wish.
3,
Hi,
2,
Kieran.
1.
Hi, Kieran. Hi, Kieran. Alright.
3, 2, 1.
What did you wish for?
I can't tell you
Why not?
because it's a secret. It's a wish.
I didn't even make a wish. I forgot. Hi, Vinny. Are you enjoying your time at the zoo?
Penguins are gay.
Are some penguins gay?
Yeah, penguins are gay.
Never knew that.
There's 2 penguins here in the zoo which have raised a baby penguin themselves.
And they're gay.
They're gay, yeah. Penguins. It's quite common in the penguin species to be gay, and seahorse species as well, I think.
Oh. Look, it's right there. Hi. Hi.
They're making them plan out to art.
They're gonna. Hi, hello. Can I take 2 seconds of your time to ask you a couple questions? Hello? Excuse me. Look at all those chickens. I'm gonna make that into a meme. There's butterflies. Oh shit.
It used to be hot.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all those fishes. These are some beautiful fishes. I love fish.
Tyler, please don't embarrass me. I have a butterfly toe. There.
Oh yeah, look. Look at that fish.
Hey, animal golf.
Yeah, go on them. That'll be fun.
Golf?
Yeah, animal.
How?
Oh, see, look, Tyler, we are playing golf today.
This is golf. What are you talking about? Wow.
Oh, Tyler, my golf stick was
We're playing some golf in a zoo.
Woo!
So that's pretty fun.
We're all playing golf.
That was one.
No, you gotta hit it hard.
No.
It's free now.
3, 4.
Cheer Tyler on! Yay! Come on, what are we doing? We're cheering Tyler on.
Tyler. Who's winning?
I think me and you still. If your dad does well in this, then it's going to be him. But Tyler's lost the ball, so Tyler's 100% losing. And here we have another zoo animal.
So embarrassing.
Oh.
Wait, hit.
This is so rigged. 6.
How did you get 6 and I got 8?
Because I'm better.
1,
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do.
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark.
Tyler.
Baby
Keep it
Tyler Shark.
Guess who draw? Yeah, I still won. I still come first. I don't care. I won. So me and Kieran come first, baby.
Yeah, so, yeah.
What are you telling me? Y'all like my... Oh my god, look, I'm wearing stripes. And this is what I got for winning.
And I got this.
Tyler the Tiger, he got Oscar, but he didn't even win. So I don't know why he got that. Really not like your attitude, Jordan. No, honestly, you gotta cut this shit
I'm
out.
sorry. Please, can you forgive me?
Lion.
Look, do you not think they can't swim into that, yeah, and jump over that wall and just come and cat everyone?
I think...
Or do you think they put the water there because they don't like the water, so they can't get to anyone?
I don't know, ask them.
That's
Ask
probably-
them.
They can't swim.
Excuse me, can you swim in the water? Nah, fuck off. Oh. Buggy crash. You look not gonna swap insurance? What was that? Subscribe to Tyler's YouTube channel. Oh yeah, thanks. Can you feel the love tonight? Everyone, we're back in the car now. Hi Jordan, how are you?
Look, you guys, I got a bushy tail.
So, we are on our way home.
So is she coming?
That was a really fun day. Jordan's upset because we didn't get to go in the aquarium, but I completely forgot about it. We was like, I wasn't even thinking we were gonna stay in there that long.
Yeah.
We stayed in there till about 5 o'clock. What time did we get there? 1.
We left the house at 1, so probably
we
about half 1.
About half 1 we got there. So it was a surprise. I was only wanting to go there till 4. Hi. Hi. Hello.
Tyler. Don't, because I can't handle stuff that I cringe at too much.
What? I'm trying to say hello. He knows I'm saying hello
Oh,
because he's
sorry,
smiling.
stop it.
He's smirking, but he's not saying hello back. Everyone, subscribe to Tyler Cloud on YouTube. Subscribe to Tyler Cloud on YouTube.
Don't fucking hit me again.
Hit you again.
Hey, Tyler, hit her.
I don't know what you're talking about, Jordan.
Tyler, hit her from the
Yeah, we do know what we're
Tyler,
talking about, don't we?
Tyler.
What do you say?
I said we do know what we're talking about.
No, I don't remember. I don't recall that happening. Or Oscar. You want to be in the vlog again? Oops, I accidentally clicked off. I'm gonna go and go home. I'll probably vlog at home for like 5 minutes, like intro this out. Yeah. You know, I want to do one time. If we ever go swimming, I want to get you in a bikini for my thumbnail. You know how many views that will get?
Like, Oscar, do you remember the song that Lola taught you?
Yeah.
Don't sing it.
What song? Tell me.
Anton bum. He shakes his bum.
Y'all have fun. See y'all later. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see y'all when I get home.
Even Vinny started.
Vinny, just let me vlog out, mate, and then we can bash up. Alright, love y'all. See y'all later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Like it up. You know what I'm saying. All that fun, good stuff. Follow me on that IG. Tyler Cloud. Follow me on that Twitter.
They're taking the signs down now. There's not to no school.
What? Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Hopefully they don't get disabled. You can follow me on all my social medias. Instagram, Tyler Cloud, Twitter, Tyler Cloud. I'm really not good at this. But yeah, thank you so much. I really enjoyed making this. And also editing. It's like, I think this might be my favorite vlog so far. Really don't know my next one, so DM me on IG or drop a comment below and give me some ideas that you guys would want to see on my channel. Much love, see you soon.